I'm Dave with Elgranada Barbecue. Southern cooking with the California twist. And today we're going to smoke this pork loin and then we're going to pull it, make sandwiches out of it all week. Usually they give us one, but this time it's a Kent field, by the way. They're usually real good. This time, inside the package, there were two. So I've already washed it and got it all processed. I'm just going to put some of this D&D rub, and then we're going to set it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to take on the flavors and blend, incorporate a little bit. We're going to get all sides of it. We're going to be really careful to do that. And we're going to smoke it in the digital Masterbuilt. Not quite sure how long. I'm hoping somewhere between 2.5 and 3 hours. We got to get it up to internal temp of 165. But before we worry about that, like I said, we're going to let these flavors blend a little. And as you can see, I'm getting all sides. And this is going to make some outstanding pulled pork. Okay, welcome back. We got our pork loins. They look delicious.
Ready to
and we're ready to go in the refrigerator for
I'm going to
couple
insert
hours.
the meat probe into one of the thickest parts.
The only part of the probe that counts is the tip right there. So I'm going to aim for trying to get it in the middle. And then I'm going to put these both on a rack. I've got it set up to only use the one. And again, I'm aiming for the center of the drip tray. I don't want a huge mess. Get my cable in there. I'm going to cook it 225 for about 3 hours. 2.5 to 3 hours. Now I'm going to add some smoker chips. And what I've done is I've blended some, I blended about 60% cherry with about 40% hickory. And we're going to let that go for an hour before we check on it.